Another day in San Diego. Just chilling right now. So I'm back in action. I hurt my ankle a couple weeks ago from skateboarding at this skate park in Colorado. Now we are in San Diego. I wasn't able to document most of this stuff we've been doing here, but yo, we're fucking back. And we are on a new journey today. Look at little Denver, and then look at these two. Yo, what's the journey we're about to go on?
Encinitas.
Yo, it's my first time in Encinitas.
Yo, let's go get breakfast at Swami's Cafe.
In Swami's?
It's in
Encinitas.
Yeah, let's get it.
Okay, I'm down. Let's go.
Denver, come. Up, 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 up.
Yeah, it could be At this point, we left Encinitas because of a recent oil spill that occurred, and there was tar covering most of the beaches. So we ended up visiting our good friend Jacob at Sunset Cliffs. It's these exact moments that I really would love to share with future generations. Moments of creativity, flow, love. I'm gonna dedicate this YouTube channel to archiving magical moments in time that I gratefully get to experience. Damn, this place is sick. Look at this. Yo, this place is sick. Wow. Oh, this place. Nature is all perfect. Yo, look, someone lost their earring here. Whoa. Yo. It's crazy. One day we all become stone. Hello, people of Earth. I'm broadcasting from the middle of nowhere in Joshua Tree. Start mastering different environments, because nature is gonna soon consistently disrupt us. lit. Let's get it. Damn, this place is nice. Ooh! Sheesh. Life is good. Damn, this place is dope. Hell yeah! Yo, it's so nice here. Thank you for watching the entirety of episode 4 of the Expedition series. To stay updated, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. And yes, we'll be in touch. Peace and love.